If you've been following Bitcoin for any length of time, you've probably noticed that its price can swing dramatically. It can shoot up to new highs, only to crash down just as quickly. These price fluctuations can be unsettling, especially for new investors or those who aren't used to the volatility. But here's the thing, Bitcoin's drops aren't something to fear, they're part of the journey. 1. Volatility is in Bitcoin's DNA. Bitcoin, like many emerging technologies and assets, is inherently volatile. It's still young compared to traditional currencies or investments like stocks or bonds. This volatility isn't a sign of weakness, it's a natural part of the adoption process. When new technologies or assets emerge, they go through growing pains, and price fluctuations are a part of that. In fact, Bitcoin's volatility has been a driving factor for many to see it as a speculative asset. Investors who are willing to ride out these swings are often rewarded in the long term, as Bitcoin has historically risen after major dips. 2. Think long term. The key to not being scared during Bitcoin's downturns is to think long term. Bitcoin has been around for over a decade now, and despite all the ups and downs, its value has steadily increased over time. Yes, there have been significant crashes, but each time Bitcoin has recovered and, in most cases, gone on to reach new all-time highs. If you're investing in Bitcoin, focus on its long-term potential rather than short-term price movements. The technology behind Bitcoin, the blockchain, is revolutionary, and the demand for a decentralized, censorship-resistant store of value is only growing. Even in moments of price decline, the fundamentals behind Bitcoin remain strong. 3. Don't let emotions drive your decisions. One of the biggest mistakes investors make during market downturns is to let fear and emotion take over. When Bitcoin drops, the urge to panic sell can be overwhelming, especially if you've seen your investment lose value. However, selling in a panic often locks in your losses, and you might miss out on the rebound when Bitcoin starts to rise again. Instead, stay calm and stick to your strategy. If you believe in Bitcoin's long-term potential, a short-term drop shouldn't deter you. Remember, the market has experienced crashes before, and Bitcoin has always come back stronger. 4. Bitcoin's track record shows resilience. Bitcoin's history proves its resilience. After every major crash, Bitcoin has not only bounced back but has typically surged to new highs. Think back to 2017, when Bitcoin's price shot up to nearly $20,000 before plummeting by 80% the following year. Many people thought Bitcoin was finished. But it wasn't. It bounced back, and in 2021, Bitcoin surpassed $60,000. This kind of resilience is not unique to Bitcoin. Many revolutionary technologies experience cycles of boom and bust as they mature. So, the next time Bitcoin drops, remember, it's likely part of the normal cycle of a volatile asset. If you believe in the long-term vision of Bitcoin, these temporary drops are just that, temporary. 5. The nature of Bitcoin, scarcity and demand. Bitcoin's value is also driven by its scarcity. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoin in existence. This fixed supply creates long-term upward pressure on its price as demand continues to grow. Sure, there will be dips along the way, but the scarcity of Bitcoin is a fundamental factor that supports its price over time. As more people, institutions, and even governments recognize its value, the demand for Bitcoin is expected to increase, regardless of short-term price movements. 6. The bigger picture, a financial revolution. Bitcoin isn't just an investment, it's part of a larger financial revolution. The move from traditional banking systems to decentralized financial systems, DeFi, is underway, and Bitcoin is at the forefront of this change. The broader adoption of Bitcoin, whether as a store of value, a hedge against inflation, or as a medium of exchange, will play a pivotal role in reshaping the global economy. When you zoom out and think about Bitcoin's potential, the price fluctuations seem like a small price to pay for being part of this transformative movement. 7. Bitcoin is more than just the price. Finally, it's important to remember that Bitcoin is not just about the price. The technology behind Bitcoin, its ability to store and transfer value globally without intermediaries, and its role in giving financial freedom to billions of unbanked people around the world make it an asset that's bigger than just its market value. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free for you, but it really helps us create more content. Let's grow financially together. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. Your support means a lot. If you have a moment, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment below with your feedback or any questions you might have. Your input helps us improve and create better content for you.